welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cover current affairs from 25th May to 31st May. Let's begin with a motivational quote. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. Now we'll move with weekly quiz. First question. 22nd meeting of Financial Stability and Development Council is headed by Nirmala Sitharaman. The first solar lift irrigation plant of Kargil was inaugurated recently. The Kargil is located in which state or union territory? The answer is Ladakh. The Asian Development Bank and Government of India has signed loan agreement of $177 million to upgrade roads in which state? The answer is Maharashtra. Next question. Who has signed an order to regulate social media platforms? The answer is Donald Trump. When was World Hunger Day observed annually? The answer is 28th May. The foundation stone for a missile park called Agni Prastha has been laid in which among the following naval ship? The answer is INS Kalinga. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Wipro? The answer is Thierry Delaporte. Who was the first CM of Chhattisgarh? The answer is Ajit Jogi. Brazil's Marcos Trojo is appointed as the new president of which bank? The answer is NDB, stands for New Development Bank. Name the plan which was part of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana to modernize the fisheries sector. The answer is Swat Sagar. Stanley Ho, one of the richest men of Asia, passed away recently. He was popularly known as the blank kingpin. The answer is Casino. Who has released the new online children's book titled The Luckaboog recently? J.K. Rowling. International Day of UN Peacekeepers 2020 is celebrated on which day? The answer is 29th May. Who has recently announced the appointment of the new ambassador of India to the Republic of Niger by the central government? The answer is P.K. Nair. Indian Weightlifting Federation has sent the name of which former world champion who received the Khel Ratna award for the Arjun Award? The answer is Mirabai Chanu. Critically endangered Saharan cheetah seen in which country recently? The answer is Algeria. Moksh Kalash is launched by which state? The answer is Rajasthan. Under which scheme government has started Bug Bounty? The answer is Arogya Setu. What is the name of the China's first Mars mission? The answer is Tianwen. Kheer Bhavani Mela is celebrated in which union territory or state? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has initiated the process of getting GI tag for Khanti Lahi rice, Tawang maize and Adi Jingar? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which nation has postponed its discussion on constitutional amendment to update its map? The answer is Nepal. Name the Indian state which has launched Restart program to support MSME sector in the state. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which state to set up a migration commission for employment of migrant laborers in the state? The answer is UP. When is World Thyroid Day is celebrated? The answer is May 25th. Shahi Lychee and Zardalu mango belongs to which state? The answer is Bihar. Name the company which has partnered with Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company Limited to launch Buy Now Pay Later financing scheme. The answer is Maruti Suzuki India. The Khudod initiative of which Indian state or union territory is among the top 10 global initiative announced by the UN for an inclusive fight against the COVID-19? The answer is Manipur. World Wildlife Fund India, with which ministry has launched first of its kind digital model conference of parties? Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Name the person who has become world's highest paid female athlete as per Forbes. The answer is Naomi Osaka. Which country is to exit from Open Skies Treaty? The answer is USA. China has recently increased transgression at which place on Indian border? The answer is Ladakh. Which country has set up a new space defense unit to protect its satellites? The answer is Japan. The central government has declared the One Nation ration card scheme system completely to roll out in all union territories and states from March 2021. The central government is planning to impose calamity cess on which tax? The answer is goods and service tax. The United Nations listed the Which initiative of Manipur as one of the top 10 global initiatives to fight against COVID-19? The answer is Khudol. ICMR is to replace hydroxychloroquine with which substance to increase immunity in health workers? The answer is Kangra tea. Who has announced $160 billion assistance to 100 countries amid COVID-19? The answer is World Bank. What is the new repo rate decided by Reserve Bank of India? The answer is 4%. National Thermal Power Corporation has signed agreement with which oil company for renewable energy project? The answer is ONGC. Which country is planning for new nuclear test after 25 years? The answer is USA. India is to supply locust killing pesticides to which country? The answer is Iran. According to latest World Steel Report 2020, how much Indian steel output has declined? The answer is 65%. Who is the head of high level committee formed by government to reform drug regulatory system in India? The answer is Rajesh Bhushan. Which country has completely lifted coronavirus state emergency? The answer is Japan. Which state has given industrial status to sports? The answer is Mizoram. Who has been appointed as the new chief economist of the World Bank? The answer is Carmen Reinhardt. Recently, which state has reported its first coronavirus case? The answer is Nagaland. Which state has made compulsory to obtain permission for workers to work in other states? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Footballer Aritz Andrews announced retirement. He belongs to which country? The answer is Spain. Recently, Mera Pani Meri Vasarat Yojana was in news in which state? The answer is Haryana. Recently, the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam was in news. It's located on which river of Africa? The answer is Nile. Who inaugurated Indian Dispute Resolution Center? The answer is Justice A.K. Sikri. Recently, Pakistan DA program was in news. It is related to which country? The answer is Russia. India has established military war game central called India in which country? The answer is Uganda. Friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please share it with your